What is up, YouTube? We are back with another video. Oh, what is that? Out of here! Fuck you. I don't know what the hell that was. But we are back with another video, guys. I'm sorry I'm not wearing my Forbidden King shirt today. But in today's video, we will be letting you guys know the 3 winners of the Forbidden King shirts. And on that note, I just want to let you guys know that they're going to get a new design. If you remember seeing any of the previous videos, it just said Forbidden Kings across the front, and it said Banned in the Motherland right below it. On this shirt, it's going to be a lot different. I will let those guys show it to you guys, and maybe we'll make some more shirts for other people. I'm not sure yet. But we're going to go ahead and cut to the next clip because we're going to show you guys what we got going on. I don't know why I did this first. Here's the old battery. There was nothing wrong with it, other than the fact that I had the two. Here, let me move it into light. The 2 smaller posts. And I already threw them away. But the actual connectors that go wrap around the post, the negative fit right, but the positive was slightly too large for the positive side on the battery. So it turned out that you could literally take the battery top positive off. So what we ended up doing was replacing the whole battery and terminals at the same time. And this is what we're rolling with right now. So just want to let you guys know that I already wired it up partly, but we're gonna go ahead and put the interior lights on the R33, kind of like we had the R32 GTR a while back. But we're just not gonna run the underglow yet until I get my body kit in, because. All right, guys. So here's what we're gonna use to send through the back, and this is gonna give us our inside lights, and it's going to relay to the box back there. So the first thing I need to do, let's turn off this light, is take this wire and route it back there. So alright, funny joke here. I actually grabbed the wrong one. This is the one that I actually need for the interior. This actually goes to the exterior lights. So, well, now that that's plugged up, that one's ready to go. So what we're going to do now is do the same thing we did for this one. Do the same thing we did for this one. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and announce the first winner. Considering that there were only 3 people who used the code word. Let me go to my YouTube studio and I will give you our first winner. Our first winner of the new Forbidden King shirt is going to go to one of the homies, Boosted Black Kid. I already know who you are, so I'll hit you up in the DMs to get your shirt size and the location you want me to get it sent to. But we got 2 more people to go through, so stay tuned for the video if you guys want to hear what your names are. There was only 2 other people, so if you guys watch this video, you guys know who it is. Alright, to show you guys where I'm at right now. So same thing is that I'm gonna tell you that I did on the passenger side, I did on the driver's side. So I plugged everything up, as you guys can see, and I ran the wires up and down through here. You can see it right here. I got to tuck it a little bit better, but then I lifted up. I took off the floor sill, and I took these clips off, ran it all the way up, like I did on the passenger side. I mean on the 32, ran it up here, ran it through here with the rest of the wires, the ones that went for the sub. When I did have the sub in there, it's hard to see, but you can see where the light is at, and it's the same on the driver's side. So what I'm doing now is mocking up everything to figure out where everything's going to go, and then I'm going to drill holes and zip tie it up. Alright, so now that we got the front done, let's go ahead and knock out the next one. So our next winner is going to be, let's go back to the studio. The next winner is going to be the smoothness. If you're watching this, do let me know on Instagram if you don't have me. If not, go ahead and follow me or DM me, and I'll get your shirt size and your address as well. And we might as well go ahead and give it to the last person, because the only other person was my roommate Jared. So Jared, I already know your shirt size, so yeah, you'll get your shirt. Welcome back, guys. After changing my shirt, you guys saw that I was sweating like crazy, and took a break because it was really hot. We finally were able to get to make sure that the lights are working. I will go and finish up installing the rear portion of the lights, but this was only a short video so I could get out for you guys, especially for the guys that actually won the shirts. I just want to go ahead and say thank you guys for commenting down below and showing your support by sticking through the video till the end. I really do appreciate it, and hopefully I can get these shirts out to you guys really quick. So always like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. We have some really cool, bring this thing towards the future or current times coming soon. So hopefully give or take a little bit. Less than a week worth of time. We'll have a new video for you guys, and I'm hoping maybe by the end of the year we can get this thing tuned. We'll have the body kit on, and we'll have this thing looking really good. So always stay cool.